I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Good morning, Decatur High School. Today is Wednesday, and these are your announcements. Any girl wishing to run, jump, or throw for the DHS Women's Track and Field team, please stop by A225 and let Coach Park know. Even if you are playing basketball, soccer, or swimming right now, Coach needs to know your sizes. Sophomores and juniors, if you would still like to attend a college fair during the day on Friday, January 26th from 9 to 11 in Fort Worth, please come to the fourth floor office and pick up a permission slip. The first 100 students will be able to go. Stop! Students who would like a new calendar/planner for the spring semester should see Miss Russell in 235 or Miss Johnson in the first floor office. Parents and students, on Thursday, January 25th, there will be a parent-student informational presentation about scheduling for the 2018-2019 school year from 5:30 to 6:30. The counselors will present present to the sophomores and juniors, and from 6:30 to 8 they'll be presenting to the freshmen. If you're not in town or if you miss it, identical presentations will be held on Monday, January 29th in the auditorium at the same time. On Tuesday, January 30th, the counselors will host a coffee with counselors from 8 to 10 in the first floor office for parents who have questions regarding scheduling. And the art program is collecting old cell phones, iPads, and inkjet cartridges for a recycling fundraiser until February. And open mic night is under the C theme, and that will be tomorrow night from 6 to 8 in the auditorium. Admission is $3. Boys track and field will start after practice today, and anyone wanting to try out for baseball, please see Coach Maddox in A305 and sign the tryout sheet. Now for sports with Crazy Colin.
And I got a colorful aura like I got neon dots.
Tennis at Brock, JV tournament. It started this morning, a little chilly, and congrats to the boys basketball, getting the dub, and that's it.
Now for Coach Park's 2 cents.
Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun, I say, it's alright. Everybody in the club.
And remember, DHS, there's so many different directions you can go, but there's only one proper path. So quit wandering around, find the path, and get on it. It's my 2 cents. God bless America. Have a great day. And you know what? Who's happy that today track starts? This guy. Have a great day.
Have a great day.